everyone, my name is Lauren. I am a mechanical engineer by trade, but have managed to completely flip my career and now enjoying the life in business consulting.
One of the things that I really enjoy about my consulting job is I get to travel all around the country. I get to see the diverse cultures of different types of cities while working with people all across the world. In this series of videos, I'll be sharing with you some detailed walkthroughs of hotel rooms in case you're ever in these areas and want a preview into what those rooms look like. Now let's take a look inside. For this trip, I was off to Houston, Texas. I'll be sharing with you one of the hotels called Hilton Americas Houston, located at 1600 Lamar Street, Houston, Texas. This room was on the 22nd floor, room 22015. It was the standard one king bedroom. Now, as soon as you opened the door to the room, on the left was the bathroom. There was a large glass door shower with some shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in dispensers attached to the wall. And next to the shower, a sink with some hand and bath towels. On the opposite side of the bathroom was a large two-door closet with two fluffy bathrobes, some clothes hangers, an iron board. At the bottom of the closet was also a nice in-room safe. I found that these always come in handy to keep your personal, valuable belongings locked up while you are away from your room. Next to the closet is the coffee and beverage station, with a standard coffee machine and two complimentary water bottles. And underneath is the mini fridge, which I found decent in size and worked actually really well in this hotel room. Having stayed at so many hotels, I found that many of these mini fridges are not as cold as you had hoped, but this one worked just perfectly. Next was the general office desk and TV area, followed by the king-size bed. Overall, this room had a very classic feel, not too modern and not too traditional, as it was built in 2003 but renovated in 2012. As this hotel was located in downtown Houston, outside the window you could see the night lights of the city. Because of the reflection, not much could be seen in this view, but here's a picture of what the view looks like in the morning. Overall, I enjoyed my stay at this hotel, as it was a very clean, quiet, and a standard-sized room, with all the amenities that I needed. Hope you enjoyed this walkthrough and review of this hotel room, and if you're interested in seeing more, please like and subscribe.